What's up, wholesale community family? Today I'm going to share with you how I made $40,000 on this one crypto and how you can also make money trading crypto as well. Before that, if you're looking to get started in wholesaling real estate and you want to make between $10,000 to $100,000 per month, then go to WTMFam.com. Check out one of my courses that I got for you. I'm going to give you the exact blueprint of how I went from zero to building a six-figure a month wholesaling business completely virtual. I'm going to show you step by step how to find distressed property from the freeway to the payway, how to find the cash buyer, how to talk, how to negotiate so you can lock property up on the contract completely over the phone, and much more. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, go to WTMFam.com. And let's go get this money. So some of you might have and some of you might not know about this, but it's very extremely popular. I think a lot of people talk about it on TikTok, and I got into buying it when it was at I think right around 75 or 80 cents per coin, and that is Polygon Matic. Okay, so I sold my first batch. Probably right here it said December 3rd. So if you can see it, it's right there on December 3rd. I'm going to click on it. I sold some of it. I sold $30,000 worth of it at $2.25. Okay. And then I think it was, and then on December 21st, everything is obviously just right here. On December 21st, I decided, you know what? I'm going to sell everything. I'm going to take the profit and I'm going to dump it into another crypto. And here's the reason why I decided to do that. I do believe in Matic. I do believe that, if you have Matic, hold it for long term. I think it's going to go, maybe even to that $10 per coin. But here's the reason why I decided to sell it. I hear people talk about it all the time. You got to take profit. You got to take profit. And the difference between crypto and real estate is this. Crypto can shoot up really quick, but boom, it can also fall down very, very quickly back to the original price that you bought it. And I've seen it over and over and over again. And I've been holding on to Matic for a very long time. So I say, you know what, man, dude, I need to start trading crypto and making money from it. And there's coin that I hold for long term where I don't sell it, where I don't trade it. Okay. And that is Ethereum and Bitcoin. So everything I make, and this is what I tell the wife too, and Ethereum and Bitcoin, that's going to be my long-term hold. That's, for whatever it is, for retirement or whatever. But I believe that Ethereum and Bitcoin is going to go skyrocket and it's going to hit, Ethereum is going to get to that $10,000 per coin. Bitcoin, I'm going to say right here, 100K plus per coin in 2022. But anyways, now listen, I'm not a crypto expert, all right? I'm not a crypto expert at all, but I've learned so much about crypto just within this year and trading it and making money from it. But Matic, I got it in right around 80 cents per coin, and I decided to sell everything. And I sold the first batch. I sold 13,000 coin. The second one, $18,000 coin. On the second one, I sold it. I had about 35 G's, all right, invested into Matic, and I bought it right around, it was 80 cents per coin, okay? And I sold it when it's at $2 now. It's at $2.64. And the thing with timing the market, it's hard for you to like, hey, you know what? I'm just gonna hold off. I'm gonna sell it at the peak. It's like, don't get greedy. Just take the profit that you're happy with. And if it goes up, don't dwell on it. All right. Because nobody can time the market. And a lot of people are like, oh, I'm going to wait until it crashes down lower and lower and lower so I can buy it. And a lot of time you can't time the market. And guess what? You lose out on opportunities. Okay. And, I've been looking into crypto a lot, man. And so far that I've known is that when you do buy crypto, don't, like when you hear the hype, when you hear people are talking about it, yeah. When you hear so much hype about it, don't jump in. All right. Just sit back and relax. Because it's going to go up really, really quick. And boom, it's going to come back down again when the hype goes away. And that's when you want to get in. So typically what I want to do, and I make the same mistake. You come in and you buy, and then all of a sudden it just dropped because you hear people talk about it, right? And when you hear so many people talk about it, it's kind of too late to get in. So what you want to do is now people are starting to sell it at the peak. And then obviously it's going to drop. It's going to come down again. So guess what I did? So I figured out, Matic, I've seen it gets up. I think the all-time high for Matic was $2 and I think it was like at $2.70 or so. Okay. So what I did was I decided, right now it at $2, $2.50 or so. Let's just take it. All right. And I know that Matic, for it to get from $2.70 or $2.50 to go up to like $3, $4, $5, it's probably going to take a while, probably going to tank again before it actually shoots back up again. So that's why I decided to take the profit, because to me, right now it's at all-time high, and and it's going to be harder for it to push up to that $3 to $4 to $5. So I decided to take that $44,000. All right here. Let me show you again. I decided to take the $44,000 and I am going to dump it into this one crypto. And a lot of you might say, "Hey, Khang, so comment down below and let me know if this is a good move or this is a bad move." But eventually, I will jump into Matic again when it's going to drop down to that $1 or below. But I decided, so this is kind of my whole portfolio here. So I decided, boom. So I don't know. So comment down below if you agree or disagree with me on this. All right. But I decided to take it and dump it into crypto.com, CRO. And here's my wallet right there. So I decided to take 44 G's, 43, all right, 43,000 because of all the fees, and dump it into crypto.com. And let me tell you the reason why I did this. And check this out. I bought it when crypto.com was at 53. So 53 cents per coin. Today it's jumped up to 60 cents per coin already. So the reason why I did what I did was I felt like, for Matic, once again, for Matic to break through that $2 and something up to $3, up to $4, I feel like it's going to be extremely hard. So it's probably going to crash again, and then it's going to kind of do that again, but it's going to take a while. So I see the potential in crypto.com, and I've been watching crypto.com for since people on TikTok was starting to talk about it. And so let me share with you the lesson I learned, okay? So when people are talking about the whole crypto.com and they bought over the stadium, and I've seen the crypto.com ad all over the place. Okay. So when I heard about the hypes, I almost bought it. All right. But then I go back to the time where I made the mistake because bought in the hype, and I bought at a very high. So let me tell you, I almost bought in crypto.com at almost at 75, I think 70 cents or 75 cents per coin. But then I went back to my experience. So I kind of relaxed, and I think I did a YouTube video. I also talk about it. And if you can do this, I think it's going to save you a lot of money. Obviously, nobody can time the market. Like I don't know when's the highest, when's the lowest, when to sell, when not to sell. Once again, just take the profit that you're happy with, and just don't dwell on if you were, oh, what if I hold it? I could have made more, or hey, I could have waited and then bought the low of the low. It's just, you just don't know. But what I do know is I kind of let the dust settle. So let all the crazy noise and all the talk kind of settle. And that's when, and then you want to look at it. So within the next 3, 4, even a week, all right, if that coin doesn't move too much, let's just say that right now it's like 60 cents. What if it's jump up to 62 cents? It'll jump back down to 60 cents, jump up to 62. That's when you know it's probably at it kind of the lowest point already. Like that's kind of where it's holding at, because no one is really selling, because everyone is, maybe have bought in the peak and then now it's down to 50 cents. So they're not willing to take the loss, right? And if you don't lose, all right, listen to me, you don't lose until you sell. All right. A lot of people are freaking out and say, "Oh my God, Khang, I lose 10 G's, I lose 20 G's. You don't really lose until you sell it. All right. But there's also crypto that actually went to zero. So sometimes, sometimes you also got to, cut your loss. But when you invest in something like this, it's almost like stocks, but I do believe that crypto is the future. I do believe that Bitcoin, Ethereum, like it's here to stay. Like crypto is not going to go anywhere. Like I truly believe that. So when you invest into something like this, make sure that you play with money you can afford to lose. I see people on my Discord channel are crying, "Khang, I just lost 1,000, 2,000, man. Should I sell? Should I don't know what?" Then they're freaking out. Dude, if that is you, You're playing, dude, you're playing with fire, my man. You're playing with fire. You're playing with money you can't afford to lose. Like, I wake up the next day and all this just poof, go away. Like, it doesn't make a huge impact on my life where I'm going to dwell on it, where I'm going to freak out, because I understand I play with money I can afford to lose. So currently right now, I have, gosh, almost 600,000 of my own money invested into crypto. I have over 20 something different crypto. And when I had COVID just about 3 weeks ago, I transfer all my Bitcoin and all my Ethereum over to the wifey wallet, just so we can diversify and things like that, just so that anything happens, like I gave her all the passwords and everything. It was really crazy. We went through a very I would say it's a little life-changing experience when I went through that whole thing. So my crypto portfolio right now obviously doesn't look a whole lot because I transfer all my Bitcoin and Ethereum over to the wife array. She's the one that's going to be holding it. But yeah, so comment down below and let me know if that's a good move or not. If that's something you would do or not. Sell all your Matic, take the profit, and then I buy it into crypto.com because once again, I've been looking at it and it just kind of stay at the 50 cents. Right, it just kind of stay there. It's not going any lower. So I felt like that's kind of the breaking point of the low, because everyone bought it high and maybe now they're just holding it. Hold the bag. They're diamond handing it. So I feel like the chances of crypto.com going to $1.50 is a lot higher, right? So I believe that there's more chances, higher chances of crypto.com hitting $1, so I'll double my money, or even $1.50 versus if I hold on to Matic, trying to break through to get to that $3, $4, $5. It seems like it's going to be a lot harder. So that's why I did what I did. But comment down below, or for those of you, if you're a crypto expert and maybe you invest in crypto, longer, comment down below and let me know. Also, too, is let me know what are some hot crypto coin that are popping up that I can buy. So comment down below and let me know. But anyways, and I am going to show you guys my portfolio really quick. So this is I don't know how. Okay, all time. So okay, hold on a second. Here it is. Okay, so I'm showing you everything right now. So 2018, I remember my buddy told me about crypto back in like, oh my gosh, like 2017 or 2018. I can't even remember, but I didn't take crypto serious, but I'm just going to show you kind of my whole portfolio here. And then boom. Gosh, man, I did a video on TikTok showing them my crypto portfolio, and everybody jumps in and people are duetting it and say I'm faking it. I basically use Photoshop to photo my crypto amount. I was like, dude, who has time to do that, bro? Who has time to fake? Who has time to lie? Come on, man, shit. I mean, there are people out there that actually do that, but I say, come on, man, shit. Like, who have time to do that, man? But man, people were hate. I got so much hater just from that video, and the reason why they say that is because so on my phone, right? On my phone, my eyes, dude, the Asian eyes, so they're a little bit smaller than yours, all right? You Caucasian, you Americano, you don't understand, all right? These Asian eyes are a little bit smaller. So what I do is obviously I use bigger font. So when you use bigger fonts, right? So the word right here where it's at portfolio balance, it seems like it's being cropped. It seems like it's being cropped. So that's why people were like, oh my gosh, they're trying to call me out. People are like, oh my God, prove me wrong. Go live with me, blah, blah, blah. Dude, I don't have time to do that, all right? My true follower will know that King Kong don't need to lie about that stupid shit. But here it is. It goes from this to 200 and something. I think all-time high was, I think it was 600 and something, more than that. So all-time high was $623,170. That's my biggest, that's my all-time high. So my goal is to hold until my crypto portfolio will hit 1 million. 1 mil, baby. And then I can actually show you guys what it looks like to have a $1 million crypto portfolio. But Anyways, that is pretty much it. Oh yeah, also too, a lot of you been asking me, so Khang, what platform do you use to buy your crypto? So the main one I use is Coinbase. I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out. Coinbase. If you use my link, basically you get $10, I get $10 for signing up. So if you sign up using my affiliate link with Coinbase down below, you get $10, and your boy King Kong get $10. But obviously you don't have to. Okay. So they give you $10 in Bitcoin. Once again, I do believe that Bitcoin and Ethereum is here to stay. Crypto ain't going to go nowhere. Okay? And the next big thing that is popping right now, for those of you who don't know, let me wake you up. It's called NFT. So if you're in the NFT space, please comment down and let me know. I need some expert, man. I need someone to help me with NFT. I want to create my own NFT project. All right. But I want to make sure that the utility, because the NFT, the pictures, the NFT is not important. What's important is the roadmap. What's behind the NFT? How are people going to make money from it, and why there's value there that people need to invest in it. So I really, really need some help. So if you're in that NFT space or you're an expert, I'll leave my link to my Discord channel in the descriptions. It's free to right now. It's free to join my my Discord channel. I do have an NFT project manager. So right now we got the art already. We have the art already. It's going to cost me 10 G's to mint this whole entire thing. So it's going to be 10,000 NFT. It's going to cost me 10 G's to mint all of this. I just need to figure out I just need to figure out, should it be real estate related? Should it be a game? Like what? I'm really, really don't know what to do, but I definitely want to make sure that this NFT project is not like a 5-minute fame. I definitely want this to be long-term. I want to make sure that all my followers, whoever it is that buy into the NFT, will make money from it, but also benefit from it, whether they're holding it for long-term or not. So that is the goal. I want this like to last like years and years and years and years and years to come. As long as I'm still alive, as long as NFT is going to be there. After watching Gary Vee, I truly believe that NFT is the future and will be here just like the internet, because what NFT is basically a contract. So it's basically like, so NFT is a non-fungible token for those of you who don't know. But anyways, maybe I'll do another video of it. But if you are an NFT, if you have any good ideas regarding NFT, how your boy King Kong can blow up this NFT project, and if you want to get whitelisted, which means when I decide I'm gonna launch an NFT project for sure in 2022. I don't know when, but if you want to get whitelisted, if you want to make sure that you can get in on it first, because it's going to start very low, very cheap, right? And then whoever gets on last, obviously, will have to pay top dollar for it, etc. So please DM me on Discord. I'll leave my Discord link on the bottom. DM me on Discord or DM me on Facebook. If you have any great ideas for your boy King Kong, where we all can benefit and make money from it, hit me up on Instagram as well. Go to Khang, Khang .WTM. Now before I let you go, check this out. Biggest mistake. Okay, I lost $90,000 on this one crypto. Well, I didn't really lose. Okay, so check out this wallet. Check out my wallet. So I bought. And I don't think a whole lot of people talk about this. New Cipher. I think that's how you pronounce it. Maybe I didn't even pronounce it correctly. New Cipher. So New Cipher at overview. Dude, at one point it hit 1 year ago. At one point it hit $2.35. I bought this coin at 75 cents. And I bought a lot of it. Okay. So, but at this time I was so busy with other stuff. I do check my crypto often, but I went there and I said, you know what, maybe it's Bitcoin, Ethereum that gone up, and my portfolio just looks so big, but I didn't know to check this crypto. So guess what? I bought at 75 cents. It was all-time high at $2.35. I didn't sell. I didn't take profit because I did not know. All right. So I could have made 90 G's, $90,000 on this one crypto. Okay. But I didn't. And guess what? Now it falls back down to 79 cents. So this is so now you guys understand what I'm saying. What this is what could be similar to Matic, but I don't think Matic's going to drop down below $1 in my opinion. I think it's going to go back down to like $1 something, but not below $1. I like it's going to come back down to $1.10, $1.25 maybe, but not below $1. But as you can see with this coin here, boom, and I missed out on that opportunity. So now I'm watching it like a hawk. I'm not missing another opportunity. So if you're in the crypto-based space, make sure you take your profit and make sure you don't dwell on it. Whether you're buying at a peak or you're buying at the bottom, you're selling at too low, you could have make X amount. Just don't. All right. And the thing with crypto, once again, it's like real estate. Real estate takes a long time for it to recoup. So real estate typically, people said, hey, there's a good 10 years, and then 10 years later, a real estate market crash, and then the real estate market takes a long time, right, for it to pick back up again. And then when it does pick back up again, it'll take a long time for it to crash again. So which means your opportunities in the real estates, all right, to get in, to get rich, like you missed the opportunity. You have to wait another 10 years. All right. I mean, now the real estate market has been good for over 10 years. Back in 2008, when the real estate market crashed, I missed out on that opportunities where a duplex in my area, single family home, were going for 150,000. Now they're like 500 G's. So you miss out on that opportunity. So you got to wait for 10 years for it. But with crypto, dude, it can happen within within a couple weeks, within a couple days, dude, or within a month. So that's the difference. So this is very gambling with crypto. So anyways, that's all I got, you guys. If you enjoy this video, obviously, if it does add some value to you, please show your boy King Khang some love. Boom, smash the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Wholesale to Million family. Be sure to boom, smash that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so when I upload a new video or when I go live, you get notified. For those of you, if you want to text me personally, if you have any questions you want to ask me, or you want to show me some of your NFT or crypto that you think it's good, text your boy King Khang directly at 1-206-208-0676, or you can hit me up on Instagram at Khang, Khang, WTM. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, take care and have a great rest of your day. Bye.